Hi dears, today we are going to see another interesting topic in number logic using C programming. So first number logic is an Armstrong number. So what is an Armstrong number? So you see here 153. We have to take each and every individual digits, then power with the number of digits here. So here number of digits is 3. So each and every individual digits is taken and we are going to power that 1 power 3 plus 5 power 3 plus 3 power 3, which is equal to 153. If the given number as well as finding the sum of the digits rise to the power of the number is equal, then it is said to be an Armstrong number. Okay, see here my programming logic. So we are going to give the number using num. 153 is given using this variable. Then we are assigning that variable value to some another temporary variable. So t is equal to, so temporary variable is equal to 153. Temporary variable is equal to 153. Then the condition loop is done. This looping is mainly used for finding the number of digits. So here also we need to find, first given the number we need to find the number of digits. For that purpose we are using this looping. Here the temp is not equal to 0. Unless the temp is not equal to 0, we are going to find the number of digits in that particular number. So digit is equal to 0 is initialized. So 153 is not equal to 0, so the digit is counted to be 1 first time. Then temp equal to temp divided by 10. Now the value will be 15. Okay, now the value will be 15. This 15 will be again go to the loop. It is checked not equal to 0. Yes, of course it is not equal to 0. So the digit is increased to 2. Now the value will be 1. Then this 1 will be given back to the looping statement. The value will be, now the digit will be increased to 3. So temp equal to 1 divided by 10, which is nothing but 0, right? So this 0, while the temp is not equal to 0, 0 is not equal to 0, no, but the loop comes out, breaks, and we are going to start the another thing. So temp equal to number, again we are initializing the number to the temp. The while temp is not equal to num, we are going to calculate remainder equal to temp mod 10. So what is remainder? Remainder function, that is modulo function. Temp mod 10, temp is nothing but 123, mod 10 we are going to get remainder equal to 12. So then we are going to sum. What is sum? Sum is nothing but sum equal to sum plus, sum is initially 0, 0 plus the power of, what is the remainder value now? See, remainder is 3 ma. Sorry, the remainder is 3. The value, the power 3, 3 comma the digit. What we have found is here the number of digit is 3. 3 power 3. The power of this mathematical function, power 3 power 3. So what is 3 power 3? We are going to get 27. So sum equal to 27. What is the value of sum now? 27. Again this temp equal to temp slash 10. What is the temp now? The temp is 123. 23 divided by 10. Now the value will be 12. Okay. Again the loop will be checked. The condition is true. So again the remainder. So we are going to find out the remainder equal to 12 mod 10. What is the value? 2. Right. So again we are going to the value is 5 ma. Since we are giving 153, so the value of the temp equal to 15, 15 mod 10, 15 mod 10, the temporary variable equal to 15. So it is not equal to 0. Yes, condition is true. It will go in the temp 15 modulo 10. The value of remainder is now 5. Value of remainder is now 5. So again we are going to add the sum. Sum is equal to, already we are having 27. Already we do have 27. 27 plus, now we are going to calculate power of remainder comma digits. So what is the remainder now? 5. 5 power comma 3. We are going to get 125. Right. So adding that, Again temp equal to temp divided by 10, so the value will be 1. It is not equal to 0, so the remainder 1 mod 10. So we know that if the numerator is very less compared to the denominator, the remainder value is same. So the remainder equal to 1 now. Now the remainder is equal to, at third time the remainder will be 1. Again the sum is equal to, already we have 27 plus 125. Now the value will be power of 1 comma 1 power 3. 1 power 3, the value will be 1. So 1 plus 27 plus 125. So the last 125, the value will be 153. So the value is 153. So the given number is also 153. After processing this value, we are also getting 153. If the sum is equal to the given number, then it is said to be Amstrong number. Otherwise it is not an Amstrong number. Now it is clear why we are changing the number value to the temporary, because we are going to check whether the given number 153. So 153 where we are given using the num variable, so that the number is moved to the temporary variable for processing. This this number will be kept as such. After processing, the sum value will be checked with the given number. If it is so, then it is an Armstrong number, else it is not Armstrong number. Okay ma? Got clear? 123 is also an Armstrong number. Next is the palindrome. Most of us, all of us have seen the palindrome from your school days itself. So what is a palindrome? Reversing this number will be giving the same number. For example, 121. If we reverse this value, we will get 1, then 2, then 1. So reversing is also should be same. So for that we are going to use this logic. First we are also as same before, we are going to get the number using number variable, then numbers given to the temp. So using the temp only we are going to calculate or getting the reverse value. So first reminder 121 is not equal to 0, of course yes, then remainder are equal to 1. Now this is the main logic behind this palindrome. Why we need to multiply with 10? Because this one is at the first or ones place. We have to move to the hundreds place. For moving in the hundreds place, we move from 10th position, then the 100th position, and so on until we find the number of digits. So for that we are giving reverse into 10. So reverse we are already given as a 0 into 10, 0 plus the remainder is 1. Next temp equal to temp slash 10. So now the temp we will be getting the value equal to 12, right? Next, now the value will be 12. This 12 will be passed not equal to 0, condition is true. So we are going to get the remainder is now 2. So now the reverse, already the value of the reverse is now 1, right? Previously we have the reverse value equal to 1. So 1 into 10 we are going to get as a 10. Next plus the remainder, which is equal to 12. See, initially we have taken the first digit, that is 1th place digit. After multiplying that, we are getting into the 10th place digit and adding the next value, then we are getting a 12. Okay, next time the temp equal to temp slash 10. Now the value equal to 1, right? The 1 is not equal to 0, of course yes. Then the remainder, as I told you, remainder equal to 1. Then this remainder is passed to here. Now value is reverse, already the value is 12. 12 into 10, 120, plus what is the remainder now? 1, right? The value will be 121. See, after reversing also we are getting the same value, right? If so, then it is called as a palindrome. So reverse, after finding the reverse is equal to the given number, then we say that it is a palindrome. Else we say that it is not a palindrome. Okay, got? Next logic number is a strong number. So what is strong number? So strong number is here similar to Armstrong number. We need to take each and every digit, individual digit, and we need to find the factorial for the each and every digit. Then we need to sum up. If so, the given number, after summing up, if we get the same number, then we say that it is an Armstrong number. For example, 145. Let's see the scenario. Logic. So we are getting 145 using the number variable. We are assigning the number using the temp. Now the temp is 145. 145 is greater than 0, condition true. Then we are getting inside. Now the digit is equal to temp mod 10. What is the digit we are going to get? 5. Right? What is the digit we are going to get? Modulo no? 145 mod 10, 5. Then fact equal to 1. So this concept is purely for finding the factorial for this number. Okay, ma. So for I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to this 5 plus. Then fact equal to fact into I. Sum is equal to sum plus fact. Temp equal to temp slash. So what is the factor equal to fact into I? First time it will be getting 5. Sum equal to sum plus fact 5. Next temp slash 10. Sorry, this for this case, for I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to digit I plus the factorial fact equal to fact into I. Here we will be multiplying 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, what is the value of that? 120, right? So we will be getting 120. Now the sum equal to sum plus. What is the sum value first? 0. 0 plus 120. 0 plus 120. First time the sum value was 120. Next temp equal to temp mod 10. What is temp mod? What is the temp? 145. 145 divided by 10. We will be getting 14, right? This 14 will be moved here. This condition is true. Then we are going to take the digit. Next digit is 4. So 14 mod 10, we are going to get 4. Then we are assigning again fact equal to 1 because we need to calculate for each and every digit factorial. For that purpose only we are initializing the value within the loop fact equal to 1. Yes. Now is it clear? Now I is I equal to 1. I is less than or equal to digit. What is the digit we received? 4. I plus. So second time 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. We are going to get the value 24, right? Sum equal to sum plus fact. So sum equal to 24 plus 120. Temp equal to temp. What is now temp? 1 for 14. 14 divided by 10, 1. So the 1 is mod again. Yes, condition is true. Now the digit equal to 1 mod 10. 1 is a digit. Again we are initializing the factorial value. I is equal to 1. I is less than or equal to 1. I plus. The factorial is calculated. The value is nothing but 1. Next sum equal to sum plus fact. What is the fact we have found here? That is already we have 144 plus 1. So the sum value now is 145. So at this stage we are getting the value as 145. Then temp equal to temp divided by 10. What is this value? 1 slash 10, that is 0. So while 0 is greater than or equal to 0, the condition fails and it comes here. Then we are going to check sum is equal to num. What is the sum? 145. What is the given number? 145. So if it's so, then it is said to be the strong number. So what is the logic of strong number? We have to given the digit and we need to split each and every individual digit and we need to find the factorial for each and every digit. Then we need to add if this output of compiling all this output, if the output is equal to the given value 145, then we say that it is a strong number. Okay, ma? Are you clear? Thank you.